दोस्तों पासवर्ड वैलिडेशन के लिए लारावेल बहुत ही आसान रूल प्रोवाइड करता है, जैसा कि मिनिमम 8 letters mixed cased, but you can set these rules globally. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर हम लारावेल ब्रीज की वैलिडेशन रूल्स को देखते हैं. इन रजिस्ट्रेशन controller store method, you can see the for password it is using password default rule. If you go to the definition of the default rule, you can see it is returning minimum 8. In the registration form, you can see in the validation error is password field must be at least 8 character. But you can override this rule uh, in app service provider boot method. In app service provider boot method, you can define the rules of your choice, and let's check it in the registration form. Here you can see the multiple errors for valid password validation now.